Hello, everyone. It's Harrison Hughes, co-founder of Rehoboam Analytics, and today I want to show you all the functionality of the Find and Replace tool within Microsoft Excel and how it can be useful to replace text strings at large. If you're working with 10,000 records, 100,000 records, this function can be extremely useful. Let's take a look. And so on the left side here, we have a list of email addresses, mosses@hotmail.com, monopole@mac.com, and other emails. And so let's say if I have 100,000 records, and for various records, I have msn.com, but I'd like to change this to maybe gmail.com, like the record number 13. And so to do that, what I'll do is I'll use the find and replace functionality under the home tab. I'll scroll to the right and look find and select. And so I don't just want to find it, but I also want to replace this, right? And so I want to replace msn.com with, let's do gmail.com. And so as it looks, there are 4, 5, looks like 4, 5, and 7 are the MSN records. So there are 3 records that need to be updated, right? And so let's go back to find and replace. And we want to find msn.com. We want to replace this with gmail.com. Now, if you want to do this for one record, you can simply press replace or just actually type it in. But if you want to do this for thousands of records at once, you would use the replace all function. And so I'll click replace all, and it says all done. We made 3 replacements. So as you can see, gmail.com is for records 4, 5, and 7. But it doesn't necessarily always have to be a text string. It can be a special character as well, right? And so we also have ats in each of these emails. So maybe I want to change this to a dash, for example, right? You can do that as well using the find and replace function. And so I'll go back to find, replace. I'll find the ats and I'll replace it with a simple dash. We'll use replace all again because I'd like to update all 12 records. All done. We've made 12 replacements. And these are some of the basics on using the find and replace functionality.